This is a short video showing our approach to functional testing. You'll see we've got a document with a number of test accounts set up, badge 1 to 4. And against each of these we've got usernames and passwords for all of the interconnected systems that people need to use. You see online the open badge passport where the badges are issued, email addresses for the person, the Mozilla backpack, and a LinkedIn account for various people. When we're doing the user testing for each of the functions, we break them down into the smallest functional unit. So this is the test for awarding a badge manually in Moodle. Each of the functional tests has the intent of that particular functional test or use case, the step-by-step process that the testers would need to go through, and then underneath that a number of tests that are applied against that process. You'll see here the test will be done multiple times. It might fail on a particular occasion and then succeed in future occasions. Every time we do a test, we record it as either a fail or a pass. And every time we do that test, the name of the tester is recorded, the date and the time, and all of the necessary information, including URLs, maybe the logins that are used to do the test. And we always keep this information and just put the newer tests at the top so we can see an audit history of as the tests have been done on the developing system. What we generally do is we'll have a number of different people logged in at the same time. The way we do that is use different browsers so we don't get any problems with cookies or contamination between those test cases. Here we're logged in as badge 4 test, and I'm using Microsoft Edge for that. So here we've got badge 4 test logged in to Learn Online. Here's them logged into the ePortfolio system. Here we've got them badge 4 test logged into openbadgepassport.com, Mozilla Backpack, and then their email system. In this window, we've got badge 3 test logged in. This is using Firefox, again, looking at the different systems that they would need to be interacting with. And here we've got my own login in Chrome. Okay, I hope that's useful. The major point is that it takes a little bit of effort to set up all of those separate windows, all of the usernames and passwords, but once you've set them up, and if you use them in a consistent and systematic way, it makes it much easier to do that functional testing. One of the difficulties that sometimes happens is you see a person logged in with one browser, logging in, logging out, logging in, logging out. It's an absolute nightmare to do things in that way. I hope that's been useful. Bye.